Dear students, Namaste. This class is 12th class of class 7 students. So, dear student, in this subject science, we had already finished 3 chapters, or you can say 3 units. Today we are going to start the new chapter, pressure. So I like to describe about pressure first. Pressure means you can take the example of nail or sharp knife or your own foot or this pen. Suppose I am giving example of this pen. This side is blunt side and suppose this one is sharp edge. This is blunt edge, this is sharp edge. If we give the pressure, this in our hand like this, when we apply the force here, if we apply the force on the area of palm, so it will give less pressure or it will pain less to us. But when this sharp edge we keep here and we apply the force, then it in the area of palm it produce more pressure. Understood? So it means that pressure, we can write the formula first. Pressure P is equal to force applied upon area. It means P is equal to F upon A. Its formula is pressure is equal to force upon area. Isn't it? If we apply the blunt edge on any particular area, then it produce less pressure. But when sharp edge, just like we can say the knife, upper one that is the blunt and lower one there is the sharp edge from which we got the potatoes, onions or our vegetables. So sharp edge always creates more pressure and blunt edge it creates less pressure. Okay, so let's discuss here and you will understand what I am telling you and what I like to say you here. So firstly, we can say pressure always can define as the force applied by a body in a particular area or per unit area. Force applied per unit area is called pressure. Any confusion? And you can remind this formula. And see here what is the unit of pressure? P is equal to F by A. What is the unit of force? Yes, we have already discussed in the previous classes. Yes? Good. Newton. Area? Meter square. Or we can say here N is equal to meter per square. This is derived unit of pressure. is also known as Pascal. What you can say? Newton meter square. Pascal means Newton meter square. Newton meter square means this one is. This Newton meter square means driving unit and SI unit is Pascal. So if anybody asks you, define 1 Pascal. Now how you define it? How you can define it? If a body applies 1 Newton force per unit per if a body applies force on the if a body applied 1 Newton force 1 meter square area we can say, or we can say on the area of 1 meter square. Okay? Force on the area 1 meter square. This also we can say. Okay? If a body applied 1 Newton force on the area 1 meter square, then that is known as one Pascal, or you can say Pascal. Okay? Any confusion? So, dear student, again wants to say pressure. How we can define pressure? First, you have to remind. You know the formula. Pressure is equal to force applied upon area. So, if anybody asks define pressure, so you can define that. Force applied by a body per unit area. Okay, it's called pressure. You can define. And if anybody asks what is the SI unit of pressure, so you can write Pascal. With the help of the derived unit, you can define 1 Pascal also. This is Newton per meter square. If anybody asks you define 1 Pascal, so you can define if a body applied 1 Newton force on the area 1 meter square is known as 1 Pascal. Any confusion? Very good. Can I drop it? Okay. So, student, you can take yourself example, just like we are walking on the road, so our foot also create the pressure on the road. Okay, by applying the force by the foot, isn't it? So, let me write one numerical here. One question is numerical is this. One number is a wooden box has 200 Newton weight. Its length and breadth are 1.5 meter and 50 centimeter respectively. Calculate the pressure applied by the box on the ground. Okay, this is the question. So how you solve this? This is solution. How you solve this? You have any idea? Yes. So solution, first you read here. The wooden box has 200 Newton. This Newton, no? Newton means? Yes? Yes. Newton means? This I have. How we can say? Which unit is this? Yes, force. Yes. So given force is equal to 200 Newton. Right? Its length and breadth are length. In mathematics, we have studied already length. Here is equal to 1.5 meter. Breadth is also given here BREAD, T as breadth. B is equal to given 50 centimeter. Yes. So we know that the SI unit of length is meter and the SI unit is centimeter. No. So firstly we have to convert this. How we convert this? 50. Yes. How we divide this? How we can convert in meter? Divide by 100. So 1 0 cancel. 1 upon 2 which means 0.5 meter. Any confusion? Good. We know that pressure is equal to force applied upon area, right? Force applied upon area. So P is equal to force how many? 200. What is the formula of area? L into B, right? So 200, L means how much? 1.5. And B means the is 0.5. So you multiply it. You multiply this. What you get answer? You multiply yourself. Yes. Right. Yes, 0.75. So divide 0.75. Very good. 66 point something will come here. You multiply it, then you know. Yes. Pascal. Like this. Firstly, to find out the pressure, we should know the value of pressure force, then upon area. Area directly, the value of area directly might not given in the question. Might be area, length will be given, breadth will be given by the calculation of, by applying the formula of area L into B. We find out first the area, then put the value in to get the answer. Any confusion? Very good. So dear student, in this way you can solve all the numerical questions. Sometimes question will ask like this. The force applied, the weight of the wooden block is 50 Newton, and area of the body is 20 meter per second, 20 meter square. Find out the pressure. So you should able to find out that. Okay. So thank you, dear student. Thank you for today this much, and next class we will read more numericals or the next topics. Okay. Thank you, dear student. Thank you. Bye. Namaste.